Hey friends, I Chetan Shirsagar, an EHS professional, welcomes you all to my YouTube channel of Knowledge Factory, where we share knowledge related to environment, health, and safety. In this video, I will tell you about the toolbox talk or the safety talk. But before going ahead, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for more latest interesting videos. And don't forget to like and share this video. Toolbox talk helps to reduce the workplace incidents. So how it helps to reduce the workplace incident and how you have to conduct the toolbox talk. So the toolbox talk should be given at the start of the day's work. Toolbox talk is a refresher talk which is given every day. Toolbox talk should be given for 10 to 15 minutes. It should be short and simple to understand. In Toolbox talk, workers shall be made aware about the hazard associated with their work and action taken to eliminate that hazard for their protection. So here are some topics of Toolbox talk: ladder safety, electrical safety, height work safety, housekeeping, importance of PPEs, and hot work safety. Detailed information about these topics I will give you in my next video. So the benefits of the toolbox talks are: it helps to improve the safety at work, keep team member alert about the hazards, and it also helps to improve the communication of team. You can also record the data of toolbox talk to evaluate the performance of safety. Thank you. Knowledge is power to your success.